Hey, welcome to Automation Partners AI. While I'm making this video, Cloudflare is down. And if you're making any apps regarding to connected with Cloudflares or any parties that depends on Cloudflares, your apps is down. And we heard many questions when we face a new client. They say, what if my, especially those customers, those clients who already have warm business, they are making couple of millions in as an income statement end of the year, and they are having a big enterprise or companies or warm customers who are actively engaging with their apps. So they say, what if my servers get down, what if anything happens? So in that perspective, what we see, our apps still alive, and that's the magic, that's the beautiful part of custom coding apps. So if you logged in our apps or any apps we built for you, you will be 24/7 alive even any server goes down. How it is possible, just leave it to us. That's our job to do, and that's why you are paying, and that's why you're here. And you can, even if you know that, you can't cover up those things because that's not your fields. You are a coffee making coffee shops. You have over like 5 branches in United States. You don't have time to understand how we did it. You need a 4 years experience on CSE-backgrounds. You need couple of 2 projects done. So many things. You also need to learn new, vibe codings beside these things, because what apps you're seeing right now, AI can't build. You might gonna see it look very simple, but AI can't build. Might be able to build if they get the data how we build this, but which is impossible. So that's the security. That's a beautiful thing when you hire us. We are highly professional, and that's entire apps is built on one knowledge base. So when you set that up, you don't have to worry about anything, and it give you highly optimize your business branded marketings for your business only. Okay, so if you have 3 4 multi businesses, you need to have 3 4 5 accounts over here. Sooner or later we might gonna able to have white labels and many exclusive and many innovative unique features kind of comes over here that you never ever saw in many apps. But they say that this is the first time on earth that they do this, that, those. But we guarantee that this app has such a things with AI that nobody have on this earth. On this earth, not only United States, nobody have yet. Okay, so if you use that, you will know. Okay, so best is for affiliate marketers, business owners who really want to expose their brand. And if you go to the blog, it's also going to create a blogs for your business. So this setups is done for our business automation partners AI LLC, and it will generate a blog for our business, for promoting, for marketing, for getting organic traffics. And we don't need to generate the images. So is that going to replace any bloggers or freelancer who write blogs for them? No way. It will enhance a blogger's job. A blogger's, I'm an SEO expert. I have 5 and 6 years experience. I made blog, I made social media marketings, I did business growth, turned into zero depth full business owners into depth free and 6-figure income monthly. And offline they get a 5 or 4 figures in income in off season. So I know very well than common nowadays bloggers, because they have zero skill. They just do by using AI. So this entire AI based is optimized and built with the knowledge of mine, and you can see all these over here. And the most powerful thing that can rank your blogs, which is just on LD and meta tags. Let's say you are a developers, you don't know what meta tags you need to put, and you are a freelancer. This app's gonna help you out. Even you are from third world country or developing country, the cost of these apps is pretty much lower than anyone you imagine. If you use make.com, you use anything, you use multi apps, okay, for connecting with anything, and API keys, all this stuff, it might gonna cost you a lot, but it will cover up with this money, the $59 monthly plan. And also you can use your own API keys, which is might gonna cost you monthly 5 to 10 maximum dollars, not so much, which is fair enough. But if you use over spam, I mean, you were here, you generated, and it doesn't cost you anything that much, and your tokens also depends on those, so not so much money it's gonna spend on you. And every time you generate, you can make an unlimited blogs, okay, there's no obstacles, and you don't need to worry about what keywords you need to put over there, what else you need to put over there. You can also generate, after generating, you can generate just on TLD, which is very important nowadays if you promote your business, service, or products in blog as a review blogs, or promoting blogs for a business, for service, for products. It's really important for you guys. And they're not the end point. There is also a beautiful part called SEO, which also save your money from SMrush, Href, all this stuff. So the first and foremost, you need a good SEO audit reports before you move forward to fix anything, and that can be done with AI Lead Gen Z apps SEO parts. Okay, so SEO can give you everything that you need to fix and that never taught or never tell by others. So you're not only generating SEO reports, you're also learning what you're supposed to put on the H1 instead of what you're adding, and that will increase your traffics, organics, and all the stuff. So it's a par page right now. So let's say you have a home page, it will scrap and then it will keep going like the several stage, like meta. It create a critical meta tag issues, and it also tell you what you need to do. So let's say you have a developers and you made a custom build apps. Now you don't know why to start with the SEO. This will help you a lot. So it's gonna save you 157 90 I mean $79 per month. Okay, so everything is covering up with $59. So that's pretty much easy. I mean, we're not saying like you can use our apps, but if you judge us, I mean, compared to other apps, we're not saying other apps are bad. I also, as an SEO expert, I use Href and SEMrush very long time ago, but I need something for my specialties, so I can cover up and close my client in a quick moments by using my own apps. Okay, so it's not my apps, this is our company apps, and I am a chief operating officer in Automation Partners AI LLC. You can call me Kai or Kaiser or Kaiser, whatever you like. And we are building these apps, these innovative apps. I mean, you will never ever see any others. You might saw the alternative like AI lead generation apps, but they do manual mail sendings. We doesn't. We after scrapping the leads, it's automatically send the mails. In futures, we are having a CRMs. We will have white labels. You will see inbox mail that AI send. You will see clone AI generator for your business, post on your social media, all the stuff that you see others, but here you will see in a magnificent way that you are sleeping, but your apps is doing all the job for you, and your assistants and all these people will do monitoring what AI is doing. Also in future, we will add a future features where your employees can teach them, you need to post this and that and everything, and it will not conflict with AI auto scheduling, manual scheduling, and everything with your steps. So we can't show you how we are doing because it's our upcoming features and roadmap. But yeah, if you buy our apps, it will help us to enhance. So we also working on the LinkedIn. It's a beta version at this moment. We are adding real estate database, so you can also get a real estate clients. So we are adding doctors, HIPAA compliance, all this stuff, lead generating, and immediately after scrapping, if you turn it on, after scrapping it will send the mails. I'm not going to show you here because previously on many videos we show this. You can see one of our video on our YouTube channel. Okay, so have a great day and stay safe. If you already subscribed, you are amazing. You can go over here and do the subscriptions, top up the wallet. If you want to know how to use these apps, you can see somewhere on our YouTube channel or playlist how to use a Listen the AI app. Also, you can take help from here if you still don't want to do anything from your end to set that up settings. You can mail support@automationpartners.ai and it will charge you 115 hourly, and it will be set that up for you once. You never need to set again, and he or she will guide you how to do that, so you never ever need to get help from anybody. You doesn't need any kind of real skills. This entire marketing strategy with AI built with a person guidance who made 6-figure portfolio for his client. Okay, so it's really amazing. Have a great day and stay safe, and goodbye.